Hey everyone, Steven Smith here with MarineMax and Stuart. Wanted to bring you a quick walkthrough video on one of our brand new pieces of inventory. This is a 2026 Scout 261 XSS. It's a fantastic fishing boat, bay boat, great for the sandbar, and also just kind of running around. You see we've optioned it with the bow lounger option, so you have backrest and a full fill-in sun pad here. So on those nice sunny days you can hang out. We have additional cup holder rod holders in the bow, and the boat is pre-rigged to add a trolling motor, so you could add that up front and increase your fishing abilities there. We've got a great storage compartment here on the sun pad. This stores your boarding ladder for the transom. Your trolling motor batteries would go down there in the floor compartment. We did add the freshwater option as well, so this has a freshwater shower. You see you have a nice sun pad here with flip down armrests and great storage for phones, cup holders for beverages. We have chargers on both sides here. You'll see JL audio speakers all around the boat. It does have the premium audio package. You'll see the carbon fiber accents in the black hardtop. This is a midnight edition boat with all the black accent colors. As we make our way back to the helm, you'll see a nice double wide leaning post here with flip down bolsters, so you can get elevated when you want to see a little bit better visibility. Nice cutout foot pad here. This makes it very comfortable when you're underway. We option the boat with the large Garmin screen in the middle here. You also have standard twin power poles that we've ordered from the factory, remote phone charger. This does have the zip wake tab system. We also have a jack plate on the motor. This boat is really decked out, already ready to rock and roll. Just add a trolling motor and you're ready for fishing and any day on the sandbar as well. You've got your nice lighting and different switches up here on the top. Over on this side, you'll see the head compartment. We've optioned the boat with the upgraded vacuum flush head. Lots of room in there. We also have the bow sunshade, which is stored in that bag, so you do have additional sun coverage at the front of the boat. And as we make our way back, you'll see rod storage built into the gunnels here. The upgraded audio package that we talked about. On the back of the leaning post, this is set up as kind of a summer kitchen prep area. You have a freshwater sink, additional rod holders, storage for tackle items like scissors and knives, things like that. This is a cutting board, a bait prep station. You've got a nice built-in bottle opener. The Yeti cooler has a magnetic lid on it so that when it's open, it stays in place. And at the transom of the boat, you have 3 flip-up forward-facing seats all across the back so that you can be in a comfortable position when running underway. And all of this is powered by the massive Mercury 400 horsepower V10 outboard. And like we talked about, the dual power poles and the jack plate, this boat's gonna be fast, convenient, awesome for sandbars and fishing. It's already loaded and ready to go. Come see it here at MarineMax in Stuart. My name is Steven Smith. See you soon.